Hey everybody, Adam with the BMW Repair Guide. Today I'm going to show you how to replace the daytime running lights, also known as the angel eyes, on a 2018 X2 with LED headlights. This is only for X2s with LED headlights. Some of them were delivered with halogen. This video will not apply to those with halogen lights. So, first of all, the daytime running lights, also known as the angel eyes, as you will see coming up on the screen right now, are the rings that go around the front bulbs when you're looking at the front of the car. They are contained in these metal caps right here. The actual bulbs are an integral part of these caps, so when we replace them, we're actually going to replace both of these caps along with the electronics board that is attached to the bottom side of it. Now on the X2, in order to get the outside daytime running light bulb, we have to remove this piece of trim because unfortunately one of the screws is underneath this trim panel. So to do this repair, we're going to need a trim removal tool. We're going to need a T20 Torx bit. I like to use a T-bit like this, and we're also going to need a small metal pick like this. So we will begin by moving this side piece of trim, and to do that, use your trim removal tool to remove the rivets. There's 4 of them. And one more up here. You can see we're just removing the center portion of the rivet. And then with the center portion of the rivet removed, we'll use a small metal pick to remove the outside portion very carefully. Try not to scratch the trim. Now, with all of the rivets removed, we can go ahead and grab the trim and pull it loose from the vehicle like this. Now we can reach that interior Torx screw so we can remove the LED light from the outer daytime running light. So we'll go right through one of the holes that the trim was attached to and go ahead and remove that screw. And go ahead and remove the other 2. And then we'll go ahead and remove the 3 on the interior daytime running light. And with all of the screws removed, you just simply pull the light free. Then to remove the electrical connection, you simply press down like this and pull it free. And then same with the exterior one. Remove the light from the assembly, and to remove the wiring connector, you simply press down and pull it free. As I said earlier, the LED light is actually an integral part of the cap, so you just will go ahead and replace these. We have links below in our description to order from to make life a lot easier. And as always, if you liked our video, We would appreciate it if you would subscribe to us. And if you have any other questions concerning your BMW X2, please visit us at bmwrepairguide.com.